Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to make a little addendum video for the PDF files. This is specifically for the tablets that we were given for class. Okay, so if you're using a personal laptop, Apple, whatever, this isn't going to apply. It only applies to our tablets that we were issued for paramedic school. So, if you're going to download a PDF or one of the assignments via Google Chrome. So if you're in Google Chrome like we should be, I had to make this addendum because there's a few more steps than what I thought there was. And there was something that I really want to make you guys aware of. So let's go into it really quick. So we're going to go into our resources. This is just a different way that I'm getting into stuff. You guys don't have to do it this way, but again, it's just doing something. So we're going to go into the lesson guide. Click to open. Okay, so let's get into these PDFs. So the roll cards or the handout. Again, we talked about this morning in class that we are not going to use this scenario handout anymore, but it doesn't matter. If it's any PDF that we can upload or an assignment that we can upload, then this is the steps you need to do. So if we get provided a form that we need to download and then edit and it's a PDF file, then this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so you're going to click on the PDF file, whatever it is. So I'm just going to go again with the facilitated handouts. Okay, if you guys remember from the initial video, to download, it's going to ask you where it wants you to put it. I'm going to put it in this PC and in documents. Again, the quick access, so it's going to go in this area right here. So go into documents. I'm going to click save. You're going to see it's going to populate right here. Okay, I can open this from here. I don't need to do that. I'm going to minimize the screen. Click my folder. Okay, and I'm going to click documents. There we go. All right, so this is my folder I just downloaded. So if you remember you haven't had the opportunity to watch the video, I would suggest going back to that video first and then coming to this video. So if you watch the first video, you guys remember you go right click, go open with, right, and then I told you to open up Microsoft Edge. Okay, there's a problem with that. If you look very closely, right there's a little blue shield. Okay, what that means is that anytime I open with, it's going to open it what's called the HP SureClick Secure Browser. So it doesn't matter which file, which application I choose. So I told you to use Microsoft Edge. Open that up. And if you look right here, okay, down here at the bottom, oops, sorry, didn't mean to click. Look down here at the bottom, you'll see the shield. What the shield does is it always opens it in Google Chrome. Okay? Its default program is Google Chrome. If you know how to change your default browser, it does not matter because this HP SureClick overrides whatever your default browser is. Okay, I'm not going to go into how to change that. It doesn't matter for this anyway because, like I said, it overrides it. So we have to get rid of this little shield. Way to do that is right-click. It says right here, see this shield, remove protection. All that means is that that's going to allow me to open with whatever application I choose to open with, and it does not need to go through the HP SureClick. Okay, that's just another way for it to provide protection, but we're using trusted browser, so it's not that big a deal. I click remove protection. Now you notice that shield is gone. So now I can go to open with, and now I can open it with whatever program I want to use. So Microsoft Edge is what I told you guys to do it with, and here you go. You can see the save as, all the icons, and the same as the first video. So that is how you do that. Again, click the download. It'll show up. Click save again. I'm just doing this again really quick so you guys can see it. Here it is. There's the shield. If I click open with, it will not allow me to open with Edge. If I click Edge, even if I click another random third-party application. Okay, it doesn't matter. It still opens it with HP Sure. See, I didn't even pick Edge this time. I picked a completely different program, and I still didn't do it. So make sure to right-click. This is it right here. Remove protection. Once you remove protection, now I can open this with whatever I want. Okay, so I can open it with Reader Touch or whatever. Okay, so that's what you can open it with. So now I can open it with Microsoft Edge. Okay, I hope that clears up any other confusion with the PDF files or any file that you download from the internet, from Google Chrome. Just make sure that if you see that little blue shield that ends up right here, that you remove that with a right click and then remove protection. Okay, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask either via the comments below or just get me in class sometime. I'll answer what questions I can. All right, thanks guys.